Say, hey YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
Hey YouTube. This is the Green Cabbie, and today we got in our newest LED light for indoor grow rooms.
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and unbox it, open it up, and see how it looks. It's supposed to be a 300 watt LED grow light.
Bubbles me.
Bubble Pop!
You like bubbles me.
You like Bubble Pops?
Yeah.
Alright. On the box it says LED grow light. On the outside of the box it says JCBritw LED grow light. Grow faster, grow better. And on the box here it says 300 watt LED grow lights. And this is supposed to be for vegging and flowering. It's got two different modes, so we'll check that out. Alright, so you see here it's got a little bit of a foam encasement inside the box.
Wow, you have new one?
That's a new one?
Yeah.
Is it going to work good?
Yeah.
Alright, so we've got the JCBritw user manual. It says how to use it, frequently asked questions, attentions. It's got an introduction to the light itself, packing list, what's inside and what the features are. And then it also shows you the growing working range here. Shows you the model number with the specifications.
Daddy? Daddy?
Yes, sir.
It's another stone.
Okay, we'll look at that.
Circle light.
Okay, we got circle lights. We've got all of the LED lights ready to turn on. Looks like each one of the lights has 2 cells. Looks like it comes with 2 different kinds of plugs. Looks like maybe American and European. Also, it's got the veg and the flowering or fruiting stages. And it also has the on and off.
Let me open bubble. Let me pop it.
And since we're in America, it looks like we got the American plug to go with it.
Let's turn it on. Press on button.
Here on the edges, you see it's got the little hooks so that you can go ahead and hang it up above your plants. And it's got one on each of the corners.
Let's open too.
You got the front here. It says JCBritw. It's got a nice beveled, rounded edge.
Thank you, Daddy.
It's got the vent holes on the sides. Also, another rounded, beveled edge makes it look a little bit more classy than some of those other ones that are out there. Vent on the other side. The great thing about this LED light setup is it's got 2 different grow cycles. This is the first. It's got the blue and the red. Here is the second. And as you see, it's got the 2 infrared lights here for the infrared light spectrum, and then all of the red lights as well. And it's quick and easy with just the flip of a button. So you notice that the sound is not too loud. You got the on and the off button here, and then the grow cycle light button here. This is one of the cycles here that has the red and the blue LEDs illuminated. What do you think, son? How they look?
Yeah.
How do they look?
Pretty.
Do they look pretty?
Yeah.
As you can hear, it's not really too loud. It's got the fan blowing, but it's very, very quiet.
Loving the grow light. It is doing such a great job in our indoor aquaponics, and it is making our plants extremely happy, and I love saving money.